Hello, good evening everybody. This is Monica Joshi, IT Head, Satpal Mittal School, Ludhiana. Today I'll be explaining you the Google Docs Advanced Certification, that is creating a lesson plan, study material, which will be having the pages in which the first page will carry the objectives, the second page will carry the necessary information, images, drawings, links to some sites, and the third page will have the assessments of the related, and then I'll be sharing the file. So let me show you what type of lesson plan I have created. I've created my lesson plan with the help of a template this time. So I went into my drive, I clicked on new from template, and then I have chosen the lesson plan reading rainbow template. So I've created a lesson plan, Flipgrid plus maths, that is equals to amazing. And being an educator, I believe that the use of technology is becoming more and more prevalent in our classrooms. However, the struggle is always finding out what is out there and how do we implement it effectively. Through the lesson plan, I affirm that I'll continue to grow as an educator and use technology in the classroom, and will be empowering my teammates as well. So firstly, I have taken the table of contents, which is having the learning objectives at page number 1, use of Flipgrid in maths at page number 2, development at 2 and 3, and the icebreaker activity, the assessment on page 4. So the learning objective is to empower you with the capabilities to make the perfect environment for your students, simplify the management of your Flipgrid discussions in mathematics, and keep Flipgrid familiar for you and for your students. And implementation, I have written how Flipgrid can be used in mathematics, and then the development, how I could use Flipgrid in mathematics, that is in number talks. Using Flipgrid helps slow down the pace of discussion and allows you to more time the students to think about and respond to maths. Everyone gets to share their voice, and even the children, those who are very shy, they will also come and add up into the conversation. And then weekly maths problem, this could be done as a review or about the current topic. And the student math challenge, put the students in control and allow them to provide a maths problem for classmates to complete. Find the mistake, put a video or a picture of a maths problem that was worked out incorrectly and has wrong answer. Students must then find out the error and explain the response and how to solve it correctly. And then would you rather will be having the links of the websites in which the student will be jumped to explore about the mathematics. And then maths notes. The Flipgrid could be a great way to chronicle of or different type of topics and skills related to maths. Then stump out the teacher. Students pose a maths question and teacher have to answer it. And then use a video transcript with which the transcript is generated. While they are not always perfect, students could go back, read over, explain, and then redo the topic. And then share your things with the real world. So now let me tell you how I have done the formatting part and how I have designed it. Okay, so I have taken the header and footer. I have clicked on insert header, and I have taken the header, and in header I have inserted my school logo by clicking on insert and image. And in the footer I have inserted the page number by clicking on insert page footer and then page numbers. Then you can change the background of the page. I like it white, but I'll tell you how to change it. Go to file, page setup, and from there you can select any page color, and then we can select and make the font bold, italic, underline, give any font style, anything we can choose, and then we can take the font colors also from here. Then how I have written this, I'll tell you. I have written it with the help of drawing tools. I clicked on insert drawing. I'll just tell you how I have written it. I have clicked on, okay, it has come here. I have clicked on insert drawing, Okay, it's taking a little time, and then I took this shape, drew it, and changed the gradients. From gradients I took this color, added the text, and then wrote the text over here. Then I have selected and gave the alignment to the text as justify and made it in middle bold italic fonts, and then I clicked on OK, and then it has come here. And so this way I wrote this, the upper part. Next is I have applied here the bullet, that is the numbered list. I've applied those here, and then this image has been inserted by clicking on insert image and uploading it from my computer. Now I'll tell you how I have taken this page border. So I'll just take a blank document, and then there I'll tell you how I have inserted a page border. I just went into the insert, and then I clicked on table and took one row and then expanded it like this and made a page border. Then next is I have kept the links here. The link has been, I just went into this website, I copied this link. Then when I wrote this text, I have selected this text, I selected the text and clicked on insert and link, and I pasted this link here. So this way I have inserted the hyperlink. Next is I've kept few of the important information in my Keep notepad as well. The information related to the video, how to create Flipgrid logins. This is, I have kept a Flipgrid related to the notes related to Flipgrid, in which I'm having the YouTube, I'm having the link related to watch more Flipgrid integration, and then the Padlet, in which the people all over the world, they are sharing their experience, that how they are using Flipgrid in lots of other technologies. So I can use this when I will be explaining my lesson to the students. I can use these links as my resource. And then I have selected this text, made it bold, italic, under bold, and I have changed the font size and given it style. And next is I have used the explore feature. I just clicked on tools and I went on explore, and from here I typed here Flipgrid, and then I have inserted this image by selecting, and then I have taken this image from here and then I inserted it like this. And in fact you can take the information also. If you want some information from here, you can take, and then you can take your information from your drive as well. And then I have given the border to this image by selecting it, and then selecting the border from here, and then you can change the weight of the border, this style of the border as well. Okay, let's see that whether I have covered all the things. I have taken table of, okay, I have not shown you what assessment. Next, last pages I have kept the assessment. Let's see how much we have learned. I have kept a formative assessment link. I have not made it in, though we are using technology. So I have taken a Google form and I have inserted the link of the Google form here. So I just will click here, my Google form will open, and I'll share this link with my students, and then they will answer this question, and I have selected the answer key as well, and I'll get the solution there and then one is the project work, that is they will create their Flipgrid and they will share the link with me. Okay, next let's see where we have covered hyperlinks, tables, drawings, use indentation. Okay, how we have done indentation. You can see that these points also I have taken a numbered list. Then I have selected here, from here I have selected adjusted the left, and from here I have adjusted the right margin in the table. And then page border, page color, formatting, explore feature, keep notepad, header, footer, and now the turn comes of sharing the file. So I can share it one of my colleagues so that my colleague can also give the inputs in this. So I'm sharing it. Okay, I wrote the wrong address. Okay, and then from here I can give the editing rights, that whether she can edit, comment or view. So I can write the message here, and I'll send this to her. Okay, so this way the lesson plan can be created by adding lots of things, lots of links and your video notes here in one platform only, and you can explain it to your children. So I hope I have explained and did justice with this topic, and you have understood it like I also enjoyed explaining it. So this is Monica Joshi signing off. Bye bye till the next certification. Thank you.